Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela, and this is a reminder of my giveaway that I'm going to hold on Sunday. This Sunday, June 2nd, I will be drawing a winner. I will post it at some point in the afternoon during the day. If you would like to enter, you must go back to my original video. My first video that I posted, that I did, is published on May the 12th, which was Sunday, Mother's Day. You must go to that video and to leave a comment, to like, to subscribe to my channel, and to share. If you would like to participate in the giveaway. And I'm going to show you now. I've put a package, I put a few goodies together. Anyhow, so this is the envelope that I'm going to be sending out. Okay. Anyhow, so this is what you'll be getting. Now I came up with something new, and I'm calling them in circles. And this is what, when you go back to my original video on May 12th, Mother's Day, you will see this. I made some for the winner. I don't know, it's not very good. Hang on a second, I'm just going to see if I can bring you a little closer. I think maybe there might be, okay, I can see those better now. So these are my in circles that I've come up with. So this is what's going to be going away. And I also included some inchies that I made in the past. So this is a coin saver, which is explained. This is how I store my inchies. And now my in circles. So I just show you the back. There, I signed it and I dated them. So these are really fun to make. Now, like I explained in that video on Mother's Day, this is a coin saver. This is what I use to store, like I said, my inchies and whatever else. Each sheet, okay, you can store 30 inchies or in circles in them, and if you do it back to back, you can store 60, up to 60 in there. And each sleeve, they fit into a 3-ring binder. Anyhow, so now what else are you going to be receiving in this package that I put together for you? So I will show you. Now these are inch circles. 1 inch circles that I cut out for you from a cereal box, just in case you don't have you get it back a little bit, just in case you don't have a 1 inch circle punch. So that's what I did. I punched out I don't know, there must be about 30, 35 of them in here. And I also made this for you. It's a 1 inch template. It's a 1 inch template and a viewfinder. So if you want to see if something's going to fit, you just have to look and see. Then you could see. Then you could punch it out, cut it out. Anyhow, so you receive that. I don't know if there's enough light. Right. There's also, I'm including some washi tape. Oh, sorry, slippery. Okay, there's some washi tape. I'm also including, there's some images for you from some books that I have that I've taken out, and some small playing cards if you want to use the queen in that. So I like to queen, a couple of queens, kings, jacks. Okay, included those, and some images from some books that I have. If you want to cut out use the image for your in circles. Little cartoon figures. And there's some chickens. And there's some on the other side. Okay. There's those. Put that back in the bag. Okay. Now, also some doilies. There's some, let me see, some napkins. I've already taken off the backings. A couple of flamingos. This one, fall leaves, and this one, flowers. Okay, I'm also including, there's a little bag of bling. Now there's two different sizes in here, and I separated them for you. There's some this little tiny bag. They're like little shots of bling, different colors and different sizes of the circle blinks and flowers and that, anyhow. So that's in there for you. Now, I've also included some decorative papers or cardstock you could use as backgrounds. Chairs. This one's got cars. This is a cardstock, this one here. This. And this is double-sided. That's not. And I've also included some dictionary. It's very vintage. You can see by the color, and then you get a few sheets of that. Dictionary sheets. And I've also included some from some comic books, pages from comic books. You get a few pages of those. And this is from Archie Comics. So you can use also for when you create your in circles, or use them for anything else you want to create with. And music paper, a couple of sheets of music paper. And I've also included some pages from the Muppet book that I had. So there's also, you can cut out some images or use your 1-inch viewfinder and, you know, just cut it out. There's a few pages of that. Anyhow, so that's it. That's the package I put together. And like I said, I'm drawing a winner this Sunday, June 2nd. It'll be up at some point in the afternoon. But you must go back to the original video, like I said, that I did for Mother's Day on Saturday. It was published Sunday. It was published on Sunday, May 12th. You must go back to that video and leave a comment there, subscribe, like, share. Do all those kinds of goodies. Please help me in supporting my channel. I much appreciate it. And that's it, guys. Good luck. Good luck to the winner. Bye. Ciao.